Good morning. It is countdown to summer, day 14, an even day. So it's Kelly's day for me to do something fun. I've got two things from her. We've got the postcard with the question, and we have the gift. And just so you can see, I'm wearing her shirt today. It's a cute shirt. I really like it. And I happen to find this cute little headband at Dollar Tree. Seems to match it pretty well. So, yep, that's what I'm wearing today. Anyways, thanks for coming back. If this is your first time here, we are doing a collab. That's Kel's Kitchen Kelly and Pinkee Jean. Jean is my aunt. So I sent them stuff, they sent me stuff, and we've got even days, odd days, and so every other day we're opening somebody else's thing. And so today is Kelly's. So day 14. Super cute. There's a little watermelon on an ant. Adorable. And here's the card. Let's see what's in it for the postcard and the question today. And beautiful Lindy Point. That looks pretty. It is Blackwater Falls State Park. 45 acres of pristine mountain view into the Blackwater Canyon. Provide one of the most famous views in all of West Virginia. Okay, there it is. It is beautiful. I really need to go there. That is beautiful. Okay, so let's see what the question is. I don't know. This is the question. What's your favorite fast food chain? Ooh, Lord, fast food. Fast food. What's my favorite fast food chain? Ooh, I don't think I really have a favorite fast food chain. I don't know. I don't really have one. I don't think I have a favorite fast food chain. Kind of limited to where I'm at. I do like the most random stuff because we don't have it here, but the In-N-Out Burger out west. But Juicy's here in East Texas is probably, I don't know, that's not even my favorite. Kelly? I'm stumped. I really don't have a favorite fast food chain, honestly. So I don't know how to answer that. I try and stay away from it as much as possible. Although today I did get, it's later in the day, so it's morning for you, but I'm recording this later in the day. I got some Panda Express for or Panda, or whatever it's called, for my husband. And I did get a bowl with the steamed veggies and the string bean chicken, and so it was like the least amount of calories. Trying to be somewhat healthy, although I'm sure there's tons of sodium on that sauce they put on that string bean chicken thing. But yeah, so there you have it. I'm sticking to it, and I'm already 3 minutes in, so let's see what we got. Okay. I don't know what to say about that. Fast foods. Oh, that's hard. I don't have like a whole lot of options too out here. Okay, this is different. What is this? Oh, bonsai. Oh, how fun. It's a bonsai grow kit. How adorable. Can you see this? I am going to do it. It gives you the directions, and it looks like there's a little, the little peat moss pellet. You probably put water, and they've got the seed for it. Ooh, and I like the color blue. It's super cool. The seeds, I am going to have to do it. Wow. Definitely going to have to try and do this one. And it gives you the directions, so wouldn't that be awesome if I can make one? Oh, that'd be so cool. Gonna have to try it. Thank you, Kelly. This is gonna be fun. Garden time. Your own little creation. I'm excited. Anyways, So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to come back tomorrow. Today was day 14, so 15 will be an odd day. I'll be opening something from Pinkee Jean. And until next time, we'll see you later. Don't forget to go down below, click on their links to see what they got. Bye.